Welcome back to the Tech Space, everybody. And I've had the problem a few times where I personally have had an audio file and I needed to either clip it or do something to it to distort it for copyright issues or something like that. So I have the tips for you guys, and basically I'm just going to show you guys the process of how to do this. So you're going to be able to take an audio file and basically do anything to it you want using this software. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it, how it works, how to save your file, and all that good stuff. So we're just gonna jump straight into this video, and I hope it doesn't get copyrighted, because we're gonna have to use a music clip. And other than that, we're gonna jump straight into it. So what you're gonna want to do is download a piece of software called Audacity, which I'll put the link to in the description. Once you go here, you're just gonna want to click go to download. If you have Windows, if you have Mac, and if you have Linux, click on whichever one you have. Go to the Audacity 2.2.2 installer if you're watching this currently, or something newer, so 2.2.3 or anything higher than this. So it's usually this first link. Click on it, download your installer, and once you have it downloaded, you're just going to run it and you're going to get the Audacity window. So I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to go ahead, open up Audacity for you guys. Bring this onto the screen, and as you guys can see here, we have Audacity brought up. So it is a audio editor, which allows you to again do all types of things to the audio, basically almost everything from taking the audio and putting it in reverse, to clipping it, to cutting certain parts out of it, to fast forwarding it, bass boosting it, amplifying it. Anything you guys want to do, you can do it within Audacity. What you're going to want to do is go to File, click Open, and open, we're just going to go to our, obviously you're going to want to go to your music, so we're going to go to Libraries, Music, and I don't have any music on here really, so we're just going to use King's Dead, which I probably shouldn't use because I might even get even higher chance of being copyrighted. So we'll go ahead and play it for like 2 seconds, and I'll show you guys what we're going to do to it. I mean, obviously you guys know the song, so I don't really have to play it too much. But once you guys have the song on here, all you're going to want to do is go up here to Effects, and there's all the effects. So we have Amplify, Auto Duck, Bass and Treble, Change Pitch, Change Speed, Tempo, everything you could possibly think of. So we're going to click on a few of these. Let's go to the Echo. So we'll click Echo. Oh no, not Echo actually. Where's the bass booster? Bass and treble. Okay, so we have bass and treble, and we're gonna take the bass, put it all the way up, click apply, click OK. Wait, what did it say? Select the bass, select the audio for the bass, and then try again. Oh, okay, so basically we'll take our audio clip. Then we're going to take the bass again, click apply. Okay, it's saying click Control A to select all. So we click on our music track, Control A, we select all of it, and then we'll go over here to effects and go to bass and treble again. Make sure the bass is all the way up, click apply, and it's saving. So now we're going to go back and listen to it and see if the bass is boosted as high as you guys would think it would be, which it's probably going to be super loud. So we'll just play it for a few seconds. You guys can hear that. That bass is incredibly loud. You guys can see the audio levels right here. I'll even put the screen in full screen mode. You guys can see the audio levels here are crazy right now. They're literally off the charts loud, way too loud to actually listen to. It would blow your speakers in your car if you were to put it in there. But that's basically how you change any effect with Audacity. So now what we're going to do next is take a clip. No, actually, that's pretty much it for this video. I showed you guys how to add the effects, showed you guys how to add the tracks in there. All the rest of the stuff is pretty simple. You literally just go to the effects and just click one. So if you want to take a clip, you just clip fix, crossfade clips. There's obviously all the original effects up here. You can take certain sections of it, and let's say we stop it real quick. We're gonna click on this section. Sorry. Okay, so you right click here, and we're gonna say, oh, we have it. Alright, so dragging is enabled already. What dragging allows you to do is take this and see how it highlights it blue, and you can select a part of that clip. Now see this highlighted blue part? We can go to it up here where it says clip or cut, and we just cut that section out of the music. So that's basically how you clip. That's how you're going to move parts of the music, and I just thought I'd throw that in there because a lot of times, you know, you want to take out a piece of your music, or, you know, you're using it to clip for a video like I usually do, and it's something that you need to know how to do. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you for watching this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more videos, and other than that, I will see you guys next time.